So, Mr. Rudra, in this paper 2013 May June QP41, question number 8. The question is about circles. A, B, C lie on circle with center O. So A, B, C are the 3 points and O is the center. I've been given AOC is equal to 3y degree and ABC is equal to 4y plus 4 degree. But any doubt, have you understood the figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in these kind of questions, the usual mistake that students make is that they assume that A, B, C, O is a cyclic quadrilateral. Mr. Rudra, is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir. This is not
Yes,
correct.
sir.
This is not correct.
Yes, sir.
Because in a cyclic quadrilateral, all the 4 vertices of the quadrilateral should be touching the circle. This is very important. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, one smart thing that you can do is you can make a cyclic quadrilateral on your own. So what I can do is I can join these two sides, and what I can say is that A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
Now let us carefully see what we can do. Now this is 3y. This is 3y. So Mr. Rudra, this would be Mr. Rudra.
So 3y by 2.
Shabash. This would be 3y by 2. Why? Because I have this property of circles whereby if this is the center and this is a chord, this chord is subtending an angle theta at the center. So Mr. Shavang, what will be the angle ABD? Mr. Shavang? Theta by 2. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
So that is why if this is 3y degree, this would be 3y by 2 degree. So I have found this angle. I have been already given this angle. Now I very well understand that in a cyclic quadrilateral, this plus this, that is the opposite angles. The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to, Mr. Rudra?
180.
180 degree. Shabash beta. This would be 180 degree. So 4y plus 4 plus 3y by 2 would be equal to 180 degree and y would be equal to, Mr. Rudra?
So 32.
32 degree. Shabash. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So just take care that whenever you are doing questions related to circles, just take care that all the vertices of a cyclic quadrilateral should be touching the circle. Never ever assume that. Usually we get confused. Usually we get confused about these cases only. That students assume that ABCO is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCO is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Usually in questions like these, if you join this and this, now this can be any random point, that is not an issue. So usually if you perform this small step, you are able to do the questions. Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.